Hello heroes! Let's say that you need to copy multiple items and have them available at any time. Let's say that we need to copy several things from one particular software or from different softwares into a destination. So in this example, let's say that we have these items that we need to copy from Microsoft Excel into a Word document, and we also have this image that we want to copy from PowerPoint into a Word document. So normally what you would do is that you would copy, go into the destination, and then paste using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Now, Windows allows us to copy multiple items and then paste all of those items that we copied using the Windows Clipboard. To activate the Windows Clipboard, you're going to use the Windows key and V instead of Ctrl+V. This will open up the clipboard screen. In this, it says it cannot show history because I haven't enabled the clipboard on my Windows. So we have two ways of enabling. We can enable it in here, the very first time that you press Windows key plus V and then you turn it on. From this point onward, everything that you copy will be kept into the clipboard. Alternatively, you can go to Settings, Clipboard, and you can enable Clipboard History. If you enable sync across devices, this will mean that everything that you copy in a device where you're logged in with your Microsoft account will save and store that data that you have copied into the clipboard, and it will be available across devices. So for example, let's say that you have your Microsoft account into your Outlook for your cell phone. So you can copy an item on the Outlook on your cell phone, and it will be available to paste on your computer if you're logged in with the same Microsoft account. So we're going to enable this as well, and we're ready to go. Now that we have enabled the clipboard, all we have to do is copy all the different items that we want. We can even copy items from different software, and then we go to the destination and we open the clipboard with Windows key and V, and we're going to have the list of all of the different items that we copied. So we can start pasting them. If there is a particular item that you're going to use recurrently in different softwares or programs, you can pin it. So you would click on the three dots and then you can pin that copied element. That means that it will be available even after you've cleared your clipboard. Hopefully this was a useful tip, and if you like it, remember to subscribe and share. Thank you.
If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and share it on your social media, and remember to follow p3.hero on all of their social media, and subscribe to my newsletter to get more content like this. Thank you very much for your support.